Good afternoon, YouTube. Tony Suzuki Burgman channel. Midnight Shadow. And my topic today is this. In this section right here is where my niece had an accident last week. She was coming right here, stopping right here as I did at the stop sign, and the car flew past like these cars are flying right here. She was making a left turn, and they just was flying crazy. Mike. Yeah, and the baby was in the car. The car that hit my niece, she was in a Lexus truck, the mini truck, and the car was going so fast, hit her so hard, her car ended up on 2 wheels, but it came back down on 4. And luckily she's okay. She injured herself badly, but the baby is fine. I mean, she was just shaken up, and it was awful. I mean, and I was put the pictures up. This is not the way I wanted to go, but I'll put the pictures up and show, you know, the accident and everything. I mean, it was a young guy. There was a whole bunch of young guys in the car, and you know, they were flying to hit her like that. They said she didn't stop at the stop sign, but as you saw, I stopped. That's how she stopped, but she had to ease up. She had to ease up to see the blind spot on her left. So, like I did, I stopped. I eased up a little bit. Look. Car still flying. You'll never know. You would never know what's coming around that corner, because you can't see. And that night, that whole intersection, dang it, oh kids, the whole intersection on that corner was blocked. You know, it was cars parked right there. So in order to really see, you have to stop and ease up and stop and ease up to see around the cars, because it was a blind spot, you know. And they be flying. Them young guys be flying. And the thing is, someone saw the whole thing, and she works for the police department. She lived right on that corner, the corner house. She saw the whole thing. And she said it was 4 or 5 people in the car that hit my niece. But by the time the police and the ambulance came, it was only 2. Where the other 2 go? Or where the other 3 go? You know, and that's the crazy thing, because they left the scene. Don't know why they left the scene. Was it they was doing something they ain't supposed to been doing, or I don't know. But dang, my spot is not there. So what I do, I just go right here. I don't know. So she just she, you know, they went and bought her. I mean, my sister, which is her mother, went and they bought her another car yesterday, and she was so scared to drive up that street yesterday. She came in the house crying, and it's gonna be hard for her. You know, it's really gonna be hard for her. Especially the type of accident it was. It wasn't no fender bender. It was awful, as the pictures would show. But you all be safe, blessed. Respect all bikers. And all bikers respect all vehicles. And so you can get your respect in return. Much love.